Hello pilots and ground crew, welcome back to my channel. Well, I've got the Pandora FREEWING, or the FREEWING Pandora, fully rebuilt and painted, and you're about to see the Maiden, or well, it's not really a Maiden, well it is, it's the Maiden since it's been fully rebuilt and repainted. Alright, but I just wanted to tell you something first, hence this little intro. Anyone who's been following the problems I had with the crash and rebuilding it and everything, thank you, by the way. Right, but I'd said in the crash video, right, it was my fault, I'd gone behind me, there was trees, I lost my FPV signal, completely my fault, everything. Well, no, it wasn't my fault. I have recently found out it's the bleeding run cam split 2. Right, now I'd had a problem with the run cam split 2 in the past, right. On one of my quads, the picture, it sort of froze as if I was looking at a photograph while I was flying. Right, and I got in touch with Runcam and they sent me a new ribbon, right, and they said to change it out. And it's been working, and as you see, some of my, I've used it since then. Right, but I found out since I rebuilt it, I had to build another one of these little FPV backpacks and set everything up again. And I tested it. I had a little walk around the house with a split 2 and everything with my goggles and stuff like that, and the picture went blank, which is exactly what happened to me when I was flying and I crashed the Pandora. Right, so I unplugged it, plugged it back in again, and the picture was there again. Right, and it was working fine and no problems out like that, so I thought maybe a glitch. So I set it up to actually take out, right, to try flying on the plane. Tested it one last time and the picture went blank again. So it's the run cam split that actually caused the frigging crash in the first place. It wasn't my fault. Alright, so you won't be getting any FPV footage, right, on my planes until I sort something else out. I've already decided what I'm going to do, but I won't tell you yet because I've got something ordered and I'm going to do a review on it. But yeah, so it's the run cam split 2. Now that's 2 problems I've had with it, and other people have even mentioned it. Joshua Bardwell, he even mentioned it as a comment in my video about saying that's why he don't use it. He uses a separate camera for recording, like a GoPro or out like that. Alright, but yeah, so it was definitely the run cam split 2 that caused all these frigging problems for me, and the big crash and smashing my plane up and everything like that. But anyhow, I just wanted to let you know. But she's rebuilt, she's ready to fly, so let's get to the field. In fact, I'm actually going to the field right now. The plane's in the car. I thought I'll just do this quick intro while it's fresh in my head, because I'd only just tested that camera again. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, let's get to the field and see the Maiden of the rebuilt. And I really hope you like the paint job. Right, hope you like the paint job. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, to the field. Well then, pilots, we're here at the field, and as you see, the circus is gone. Yay! Right, it's a little bit breezy, so I won't be doing anything silly. Well, I won't be any on like a Maiden, but I'm just going to give her once or twice around the field and just to see how she feels and everything. But I know a lot of you'll be dying to see her, so let's take a look at what I've done. Yeah, well, as you can see, I painted it black. I chose black, right, to cover up the bloody scratches, basically. And I put some flames on the elevator. That took ages to bloody cut out. And some skulls. And some flames on that side. So it's covered up the scratches quite well. So I'm quite happy. Yeah, I'm quite happy with her. Anyhow then, let's get the battery plugged in and do my tricks and get her into the air. Right, hopefully just a quick flight. Right, just want to get her in the air. Bloody sticker come off. I just noticed that sticker then. Lost one of my stickers. Bugger. Oh well. Oh shit, we've got problems. Ah! Told you we had problems. I felt it way too nose heavy. I ain't got that CG sorted out. What a bastard. Yeah, because I put the carbon rod running through, there's too much weight in the nose now. It's way too heavy. So I'm going to have to adjust the CG. I thought, to tell you the truth, I thought I'd actually adjusted it. But obviously not. And by the look of that, the nose is all fucking smashed. Excuse my French, sorry for swearing if there's any younger viewers. But that is so bleeding annoying. Oh well. Yeah, nose is smashed off. Too much weight in the front. It couldn't hold it, brought it down nose first. And it looks like the wing's gone again. Yep. Right, jump cut to me. Yeah, that's knackered. Bust the frame completely this time. The wing's gone again, which that wouldn't have bothered me, could have replayed that. But the nose has had it completely, and I've really knackered it up this time again. It was the CG, which is my fault completely, obviously. Yeah, I'd reset the CG. Right, this isn't an excuse, but I'd reset the CG and it was pretty well balanced. But I put the new landing gear on, right, from Motion RC, right, and I'm wondering if that extra weight has just tipped the nose a little bit more. But yeah, as you can see, damage is major. Right, so I'm afraid this time she could be a dustbin job. But you know me, I thought the last one was a dustbin job and it was in about 20 pieces. We'll see what happens. We'll play it by ear, see what happens, see what I can do. Right, updates in the future, and it will be in the future. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, but I knew straight away, as soon as she was in the air, I thought that's wrong. Straight away, the second she took, I thought that's wrong. It was an omen, you know, but that first takeoff, when the sticker come off, I should have stopped. Should have stopped, packed away, gone home. It was an omen, a warning. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, thanks for watching, and maybe she'll fly again. We shall see. Cheers.